What's up, guys? Welcome back to Timo Paints. This is Timo, and today we're going to be rolling some smooth wall with the 18-inch roller. Yeah, it's a commercial job, man. We're actually using Aura paint by Benjamin Moore, and this stuff is kind of finicky to say the least, but if you guys are interested in starting your own paint business, I created a course. It's the second link in the description below, and if you need help getting jobs for said business, click the top link, and that'll be a link toward the Facebook marketing strategy that I use to get lots of jobs. All right. Enjoy this footage, and if you guys like it at any time, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hey, if you guys are still here watching, type smooth in the comment section for me, and I'll hashtag you a real one. just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Or click one of these, and I'll see you right now.